guys! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video, tayo ay mag-unboxing ng mabili ko sa Shopee from Haylou. And then, ayan, kakarating lang niya maybe like an hour ago. So I decided na dito na siya buksan sa store namin. Welcome to our store. Dito na buksan sa aming store since nandito na siya and I'm so excited na to open this one. So ayan, dito pa siya na-open as you can see. And then, ayan, meron siyang nakalagay dito kung anong contents. Ayan dyan. So, diba? Hindi siya napofocus kasi phone lang yung gamit ko as of now kasi hindi ko dala yung aking camera. So, ayan. I will just get a scissor so that I can open this properly. So, ayun guys, unboxing lang to. So, I will do a separate video for the reviews of these items. Oo, kasi 3 items siya. So, ang dapat makikita natin dito sa loob is yung Haylou GT1 Pro na black, which is yung wireless na earphone. And then yung Haylou LS05 watch with strap and then yung tempered glass. And then yung Haylou GT1 Pro na case na color red. So, yun guys, let's open this one. Nalaglag siya. So, this is what it looks like. Diba? Naka-bubble wrap talaga siya. Secured na secured. I bought this from the official store of Haylou or Haylou, whatever you call it, on Shopee. Ayan, sorry ang gulo ng buhok ko. Ako'y may bangs. Whatever you call it on Shopee. So, ayan, nakikita ko na Haylou Solar. Nababasa ko na dito. Sorry guys, malabo kasi phone lang. So, ayan. Securely bubble wrap siya. Then, I can already see the case for the wireless earphone. And then, this one. So, okay, correct na guys. Color red yung binili ko. So, in person, para siyang orangey red. Para siyang may pagka-neon. And then, good thing na may binigay na metal glass. So, okay tayo dito. Yay! Ang aking GT1 Pro. So, pangatlong wireless earphone ko na to because I already have the Samsung buds. And then, yung Xiaomi na earbuds. And then, this is my third one. So, it says GT1 Pro. Ayan. Ang pinagkaiba lang kasi niya is ayan, true wireless earbud. So, I will make a separate video. Yun nga, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, I will make a separate video sa mga reviews ko dito. Ayan. And then, white strap ang kanilang binigay. You don't have any choice kung anong color ng strap yung makukuha mo. So, ayan, I got the white one. And then, this is the tempered glass. Ayan. This is the tempered glass. So, since this is not for me, let's see kung i-open ko pa siya. Maybe for the review, yes. So, there, as you can see, Haylou Solar. Ayan, nakasulat. Haylou Solar. Haylou, nakasulat. It is metal body, 12 sport modes, something ganun, 30-day standby, so long battery life talaga to, and then 340 milliamp hours ang kanyang itatagal. Yan. So I guess we have to open this one. Muna natin i-open is yung ito, yung GT1 Pro po. So, let's open this one first, guys. The GT1 Pro. Tignan natin kung ano itsura niya sa loob. Pero, ang nasa labas niya lang is this one. Ganun. Hindi niyo ba mabasa? Basahin ko na lang. IP5. So, water resistant siya. And then, may 25 hours of battery life. May battery display din siya, which is yun yung reason kung bakit ko siya pinili. Kasi para makita ko kung gano'n na siya kalubat or full charge na siya. So, it is also smart touch. Tulad ng Samsung Buds na tap-tap lang ng ganun. Kasi yung sa may Xiaomi, may button siya. So, clickable. So, this one is yun, smart touch. And it's wireless 5.0. Yan, nakasulat dyan. Okay, let's open it. Masyado ba ako maputi sa video, guys? Because I'm only using natural light. Good thing, naka-properly secured siya. Walang mga dent ang packaging. So, it's good. Ayan. So, open natin. Paano ba ito yung open? Ayan. Slide to open. So it comes with a box like this. So let's see how are we going to open this one. So ayun guys, no, sorry kasi naputol yung video. Tuloy ko muna yung pag-unbox natin. So balik tayo ulit sa ganito, yung case ng GT1 Pro ko. So ayan, malambot lang siya, silicone, and then it's like very bloody red or neonish red, as you can see. And then it has a metal clasp na kinabit ko na. So ayan, wala lang siyang pandikit dito, hindi tulad nung nasa Xiaomi ko na case. May pandikit siya dito sa taas at baba para ma-secure yung pagkaka-tightness nung sa wireless earbud. So, let's see kung sakto ba yung kanyang fitting later. Tsaka ito, yan, yung nasa gitna. Medyo manipis lang siya. So, I'm afraid na may dumang tricycle. I'm afraid na baka mapunit siya agad. Kaya so, mas kailangang ingatan mabuti. So, yan, balik muna natin siya sa lalagyan niya. Test ko siya later sa bahay. So, yun na nga. Natanggal ko na yung ano niya. So, this is what it looks like sa loob ng box. Ayan. Naka-Chinese characters. But it's well secured. See? May foam siya sa gitna. So, secured na secured talaga yung item nyo. And then, ayan, tanggalin natin siya. Chining! Mas magaan siya. Ay, mas magaan. Mas mabigat siya compared dun sa Redmi na AirDots na recently kong nabili. And then, this one is made of plastic again. Yan, narinig niyo ba? Made of plastic siya. Please focus. Ayan. Basta made of plastic siya, ganun. Then, ayan. Tanggalin natin yung phone. So, ito. Nakalagay dito isa i-click. Yung kanyang charging cable. Ayan, yung extra ear tips. Yung charging cable na maiksi. So, maybe I'll use what I have. Hindi ko muna siya tatanggalin. Pero ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Si type, yung lumang ano pa rin siya. Hindi siya type C. So, yun. And then, the manual. Ayan. Manual yung kasama. Haylou GT1 Pro. So, yan. Balik muna natin. Doon ko na to sa bahay bubuksan. So, ang next natin bubuksan guys is this one. So, this one guys is the Haylou Solar na LS0, tama ba? LS05. So, ayan. May kasama na siya ng tempered glass na in-avail ko and then yung kanyang strap. Kasi meron din na walang kasamang strap and tempered glass. So, I chose this one para, you know, mas protected and then may choice ka for the strap. So, yan. Let's peel off the plastic. Ayan. Push din siya. Slide to open din siya. Ooh. And let's see how are we going to open this one. Diba? Oh, it looks durable guys. Ay, wala, nalaglag na. Yan. Ang original strap niya is black, so they gave me white. So if ever na gusto mo na white or black, you can change it. Then hindi ko muna tatanggalin tong sticker. Let's see. And then this one, pag i-charge for ano mo siya, para ma-rate niya yung like heart rate or something. Yun nga guys, inside the box is the watch itself. And then, katulad din siya nung GT1 Pro na may foam din. Foam. Bongga. Then this is the Haylou Solar Smartwatch. Ayan ang labo. Haylou Solar Smartwatch user manual. And then, ooh, we have the charging cable. Charging cable. Ganito yung charging cable niya. USB 2. Ganun. Ayan. Magnetic turboic. I love it. Then, nothing else. Nothing more. So, balik lang natin yung So yun guys, thank you for watching my unboxing video, and then if you like this one, please click the like button, and then if you want something or any suggestions, comments, just comment it down below, and then don't forget to subscribe, and then like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done subscribing, and then click on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload videos. So thank you for watching.